Crate 61 soap. Let's try it. Tango Madness. Oh, these are, let me see what this smells like. Smells good. I will be trying these in the next week and give a review at the end of this video. Let's see what else we got. Smells good. I've never really done smelly soap, so it's something I'm trying. Try new stuff after 50, people. Come on. Try new stuff. Make life a little bit fun. It's my Christmas gift, one of them. I'm going to get myself some stuff this year, man. Let me smell this one. Smells good, too. It's a bueno. Smells good, too. Not over perfuming, which I like. Get out of there, you little monkey. That one smells a little interesting. But good. Last one. Alpine Spice, baby. Get out of there, you monkey. This one smells good too. All right, let's see at the end of the video and I'll tell you what I think. So I've used this soap for about a week or two, and I was never a big soap, perfume guy user, so it's a new thing for me. I always just bought the regular stuff at the store, but I figured I want to try something. Again, the Squatch soap or something was $8 million or something. This was a lot cheaper. It's from Canada, for whatever that means. Smells good, but not overly perfumey. If it's natural, which I'm going to research a little bit more, already that's a good start. Kind of an exfoliant type of texture to it, which is kind of cool. So it's kind of a scrub, a little bit, maybe 10% scrub, 90% soap, which is cool. I like it. Smells nice, not overpowering. Didn't notice it 2 hours later, like, wow, still smell perfumey, which is cool. I don't want that. What is my verdict? Out of 10, I give it about an 8.